Before the modern rigs dominated America's highways, there was a machine that helped shape the backbone of the nation's transport industry. Meet the Mack B61, a semi-truck that didn't just haul freight. It hauled the spirit of post-war America. With its towering chrome exhausts and unmistakable Bulldog hood ornament, this truck wasn't just built to work, it was built to last. From 1953 to 1966, the Mack B61 was one of the most dependable and powerful trucks on the road. It was the kind of machine that didn't back down from a heavy load, tough terrain, or long haul. And it's easy to see why. Under the hood, the B61 came equipped with Mack's revolutionary Thermodyne diesel engine, a straight-six powerhouse that delivered both torque and endurance. This was the engine that made the term diesel durability real for thousands of drivers across the country. Paired with a rugged manual transmission and a heavy-duty chassis, this truck could take on mountains, deserts, and back roads without breaking a sweat. But this wasn't just about performance, and the design was just as iconic. From its rounded fenders and split windshield to the heavy black bumper and vertical grille, every detail of the B61 spoke to a different era. One where trucks were hand-built for grit and glory. The air intake, chrome stacks, steel step plates, all crafted with a timeless, almost industrial beauty that's rare in today's world of plastic and digital dashboards. Inside the cab, you won't find touchscreens or plush interiors, just raw metal, simple gauges, and the smell of diesel and hard work. And yet, to many drivers, this was a throne. Behind the wheel of a Mack B61, you didn't just drive, you commanded the road. Today, restored examples like this one have become prized collectibles, not just for truckers, but for anyone who appreciates heritage and craftsmanship. They're found at truck shows, in private garages, and sometimes still on the road, proving that legends never die. So if you're into raw mechanical beauty, unfiltered power, and the kind of truck that helped build a nation, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Lux Auto X, because there's nothing like the growl of a Mack to remind us where we came from and how far we've driven.